Sourdough pasta. Alright everybody, me again. Gonna do a late lunch. This is sourdough pasta. I didn't know they make this, but apparently they do. It's supposed to be like a healthier version of pasta, I guess. So I'm gonna give it a run. This one's penne, and this one here is spaghetti. So I still didn't decide which one I'm gonna use. I'm leaning towards this one because I'm gonna put some ground beef in it, and of course I'm gonna use my favorite sauce, carbone. And if I can't make this pasta taste good in carbone sauce, you know we got a problem. So I'm hoping for the best. Sourdough pasta. Let's go make some late lunch. Pasta looks real good. It didn't stick. I added the cream and the ground beef. Just gonna mix everything up. Make it look good. It's gonna taste even better. Gonna add some cheese. Add the pasta. Just mix everything up real good. It looks really good. It looks great. I really like the look of it. Hopefully it follows with the taste. All right, we're ready to plate. All right, guys, here's a close-up of this sourdough pasta. Organic, made in Italy. There it is, late lunch. Sourdough pasta. Never had it before. First time. All right, 9 minutes. The box said 8 or 9 minutes, so I cooked it 9 minutes. It's cooked perfectly. Perfect cook. 9 minutes. Do it in 9 minutes, guys. 8 minutes would be a little undercooked. 9 minutes, perfect. Trying to see if I can tell the difference between the regular pasta and the sourdough pasta, but I can't. I had to move back into the house. There was like dogs outside and all kinds of noise. Anyway, I can't find any difference between the sourdough pasta and the regular pasta. It beats the shit out of gluten-free pasta, I tell you that. It's so good. It didn't stick. It tastes very natural. Great pasta. I don't know what the benefits are of sourdough pasta versus regular pasta, but if there's something that you want to try, if sourdough bread or pasta is something that you do, I highly recommend this pasta. It tastes just like regular. Great taste. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend it. I'm going to finish this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.